Alright, so I'm going to start off by wetting my hairline so that I can begin the plucking process. I'm really doing minimal here, but I'm really taking my time with this. I'm just going to brush the hair back, and then I am going to part in sections across the hairline and start plucking. And I do this a couple of times until I get the desired gradient effect that I'm going for.
Ain't nobody quite like you. Got me falling through and through. Straight to the top, I'm tumbling. My roller coaster's rumbling. Can you please explain why I'm acting out my brain? Oh, I've never been like this before. Oh, why did I wait so long to soar? I can't help but always think of you, of you. Every day my dreams are coming true. Yeah, you're an act of God, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Lady, oh, I'm so excited. You're enchanting me with everything you do, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Yeah, baby, you're enchanting me with everything you do, you do. I don't wanna let you go. Hold my hand and you will know. But you never thought a girl could feel like this. Well, I never thought that I could feel like this. Now it's plain to see that you belong here with me. Sometimes things are meant to be explained, explained. Afterwards, you'll never be the same, the same. You're an act of God, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Lady, oh, I'm so excited. You're enchanting me with everything you do, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Yeah, baby, you're enchanting me with everything you do, you do.
Okay, so next I'm taking some foundation powder in my shade and I'm putting that all over my frontal so that I can part it any way that I want and it always looks like scalp.
You're an act of God, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Lady, oh, I'm so excited. You're enchanting me with everything you do, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Yeah, baby, you're enchanting me with everything you do, you do.
Alright, so I did the ball cap method and I'm going to go ahead and start applying my bold hold to my edges right where the cap and my skin meet. And what I did was I went ahead and I applied 3 layers. I won't show applying all 3 layers on camera just to save time, but I'm just going to go ahead and smooth it out, wait for it to dry clear, and then add the next layer. I'm gonna go ahead and slide my wig over top of my bowl hold. I like to do each side first, so I'm just doing one side at a time. It's just easier for me to do it that way. So I'm just gonna be really gentle and place the lace over top of the bowl hold. And then I'm gonna go in with my comb and brush through the hair to kind of help the lace lay down, but I'm not digging into the lace with my comb because I don't want it to get stuck and I don't want my hairs to get all stuck into the lace and the glue. So at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and comb back my hair and tie down my edges and let them set overnight. That way I have a nice secure hold and I don't have to worry about anything sliding back. All I did was let my edges sit. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take my scarf off. I did not put any product on this hair whatsoever. I just wanted to give my lace a chance to go ahead and adhere to the glue and completely dry. I did not even put makeup on it yet. And as you can see, it is pretty intact. If you have any glue left over around the edges, you can go ahead and use 90% alcohol or 70% alcohol and just take a Q-tip or a wet towel or a towel, wet it with the alcohol and just dab it around the edges, but be very careful that you don't apply it right onto the lace or else it will lift. So I'm just going to go ahead and with my makeup and apply that to my lace. I prefer to add the makeup to the lace after it's completely dry just because it looks better. Well, for one, it does not mush all together, but because it doesn't make the lace glue lift. Because the first time I tried this, I applied the makeup and it lifted my lace and I definitely don't want that. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and pull out my baby hairs and then sculpt those. So I had already cut baby hairs on this unit, very, very light baby hairs. And I'm just going to go ahead with my mousse and sculpt those. I'm going to be using the Smooth and Shine Polishing Reviving Foaming Wrap Lotion, Firm Holds. You can use any type of wrap lotion or mousse. This is just what I have, so this is what I'm using. And I'm just going to very gentle with this process because even though my lace is completely dry now, I don't want to take a chance at lifting it. So I'm just going to lightly sweep, and I'm not pressing my baby hairs into the lace. I'm just lightly forming them. Baby hairs are done. I am just going to go ahead and wrap my hair back in the scarf.
You're an act of God, baby, like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night, lady. Oh, I'm so excited. You're enchanting me with everything you do.
I just like to comb out my baby hairs just to give them a softer appearance because I don't like that gel down look. So that's what you see me doing here. Guys, so this is the hair. This is the final result after I have completely secured my hair down, and I like it. I want to show you guys this parting space because this is a 16 by 4 closure wig, or 16 by 4 frontal wig, transparent lace, and the part goes all the way back. I absolutely love the parting space. I will be wearing this hair on my vacation tomorrow, so stay tuned for a vlog, by the way. This hair is perfect. I will say I bleached this hair. Check out my other video on how I achieved this color using bleach. I did bleach the hair, and I will say that although for the most part it retained its curl pattern, this side is a little bit, well, actually both sides in the front are, you can tell that they're slightly over processed. So I will end up having to put some product in this hair in order to help it retain its moisture throughout the day. Overall, the hair turned out very pretty, and it reverted back just fine, with the exception of the front of my hair. So if I don't put any product in this hair, it tends to get frizzy. This is definitely not, after having bleached the hair, it's definitely not in a state to where I can just not put any product in it and do the wet look and expect it to stay like this. This hair needs a little bit more because it's been processed. Excuse me. The hair does also shed. I will say it's shedding more so now that I bleached the hair. When I first received the hair, I got very little shedding. Um, but now that I've bleached the hair, I am experiencing more shedding than I was before. I do believe that part of that could be because it's curly hair or textured hair, and then another part of it could be because I bleached the hair and the hair is now thicker. So I just wanted to point that out. But overall, this hair is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I'm about to go to the gym, so I'm interested to see how this bolt hold is going to hold up through me working out. The sides, if you can see, the sides are up a little bit. I probably will go in with some Godspeed glue and just adhere that down a little bit more after I come from the gym. Right now I'm not too concerned about it. Same with this side, coming up just a little bit. Overall, the bolt hole actually works pretty well. If you are going to go to the gym and you're worried about your lace lifting up, just to be on the safe side, I would tie a scarf around it. That way you know that you're covered either way. So, but I will show you guys how this hair holds up on my vacation, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the comment section down below and tell me what you think about this hairstyle and this wig. Let me know if you have purchased this wig or if you're planning on purchasing this wig. If you did purchase this wig, let me know how your experience was with coloring your hair, if you colored it at all. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media at K-Marie Loaded. That will all be down in the description box below. And don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe. Well, until next time, stay beautiful.